In this video, I will be showing you examples of problems related to tangent segments theorem. Tangent segments theorem states that if tangent segments are drawn to a circle from an external point, then the two segments are congruent. To illustrate this, let us use the figure at the right. At circle A, segment CD or DC intersect circle A at D, while segment CB intersect circle A at point B. These two segments are the tangent segments of circle A, and they are drawn from external point C. This means that segment CD and segment CB are congruent. AD or segment AD is perpendicular to segment CD or DC from the tangent line theorem. Also, AB or segment AB is perpendicular to segment BC or CB. These two pairs of perpendicular segments form right angles. Angle ADC and angle ABC are right angles. If a segment is drawn from A to point C, segment AC bisects angle C. Bisects means divide into two equal parts. Therefore, angle AC B is congruent to angle ACD. Hence, triangle ADC and triangle ABC are right triangles. Hence, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle ABC. In the figure at the right, find the value of x. In circle A, segment MD and segment MC are tangents of circle A at point D and C respectively. These two tangent segments intersect at the exterior point M. Hence, they are congruent. The length of MD is 10 units and the length of MC is X. MC equals MD. Therefore, the measure of MC or the length of MC is also 10 units. Example 2. In circle B, find the value of x and the length of HK. Segment HK and segment HJ are tangent to circle B at point K and J respectively. These two tangent segments intersect at the external point H. Hence, they are congruent. HK or the length of HK is equal to the length of HJ. 7x minus 9 is equal to 4x plus 12. we have 7x minus 4x equals 12 plus 9. 3x equals 21. By division property of equality, x is equal to 7. Then substitute the value of x, that is 7, to the length of hk, which is 7x minus 9. We have 7 times 7 minus 9. Therefore, the length of hk is 40 units. In the figure at the right, find the missing indicated measures. Okay, let's start with angle alpha. Angle alpha is a right angle from the tangent line theorem. Segment JM is perpendicular to segment KM. To solve for alpha, alpha is equal to 90 degrees. Next is solve for beta. Triangle KMJ is a right triangle. By applying the sum of the angles of a right triangle, which is equal to 180 degrees minus the value of alpha minus the 23 degrees. Therefore, beta is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 23, which is equal to 67 degrees. Next is solve for x. X is the length of segment JL, which is a radius. Segment JM is a radius of circle J, which measures 5 units. Take note that all radii of the same circle are equal or congruent. Therefore, the length of JL is equal to the length of JM. JL therefore is 5 units. Next, solve for y. Y is the length of tangent segment KM. Therefore, since tangent KM or tangent segment KM and tangent segment KL intersected at the exterior point K, therefore their lengths are equal. Since segment KL measures 12 units, therefore segment KM measures 12 units. Next, solve for Z. Z is the length of segment JK, and JK is the hypotenuse of the right triangle KMJ. By applying the Pythagorean theorem, JK is equal to the square root of JM squared plus MK squared is equal to 5 squared plus 12 squared equals the square root of 25 plus 144, which is the square root of 169. Therefore, the length of JK is equal to 13 units. More videos related to circle are available in this channel.